This is great for finding things such as GPS trackers, listening devices, and hidden cameras. Once set up, you're going to have it looking something like this. Another great feature is the mode, so we can have it on silent, or we can have it so it creates a little beeping noise as we're getting closer to a device. Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we're going to be looking at our military grade bug detector. This is great for finding things such as GPS trackers, listening devices, and hidden cameras. Let's open the box and have a look. Inside, you've got the main unit, you've got the long magnetic antenna, you've got our two smaller antenna, which go on antenna 1 and 2, and we've got an instruction booklet and a charging cable. Once set up, you're going to have it looking something like this. You can extend this out if you want to, but for now we'll just keep it tucked in nicely. To switch the device on, just press the power button at the bottom and then all the lights start turning on. Antenna 1 and antenna 2. Antenna 1 looks for signals within your 50 megahertz range to your 6 gigahertz, whereas your antenna 2 is looking for 2.4 gig to your 5 gig, which is what general Wi-Fi's usually are. You can also change it from magnetic, your hardwired, to your radio frequencies, which are your wireless. Another great feature is the mode, so we can have it on silent, or we can have it so it creates a little beeping noise as we're getting closer to a device. This little dial at the top here changes the strength, so you turn it this way for it to be stronger, so you don't have to be right on top of a device. And as we want to narrow down and get really close to where our device is, we turn this down a little bit, so it'll only pick up the device when we're right on top of it. We'll turn it up here for now. When we get close to a device, you'll see this signal strength light here starts flickering and going up. As we get closer to the device, we can hear it start to beep, and the light goes all the way to the top. This will work for any device that's connected to the internet and giving off a signal, which a lot of hidden cameras do. It will also pick up computers, things like that. So if you're going to use it to do a bug sweep, make sure we've got our phones switched off or placed in a different room, and also laptops and computers as well, because this can interfere and we can think we've got a bug when in reality we're just scanning the phone that's in our pocket. To charge the device up, just use the USB-C cable that's included, plug it right here in the bottom. So one of the great things about this is that when we turn it on, we can use it to actually test individual devices. So we make sure we're switched to radio frequency, and if I start sweeping closer to the phone, it'll start beeping. We can see on here as well that as we get a little bit closer, that this light just starts flickering all the way to the top. But if we change it to magnet, it's not going to pick that phone up because that's not what we're looking for in this. If we change it to magnet, we can see here we've got this little light on top. As we get closer to the device and to the bug, something that's working on a magnetic frequency, such as this tracker, it will actually beep, and the light will actually just change color as well to really give us an indication of what we're looking at. We've just seen it working, picking up the phone whilst the phone's on Wi-Fi, which would be antenna 2. If we want to look at something that's not connected to the Wi-Fi, because a lot of bugs won't be if they're out and about, it actually works by going antenna 1. It covers a bigger range, so you can detect 3G, 4G, and 5G bugs, as seen here. There we go. Just make sure we're switched to antenna 1. This will give us 3G, 4G, 5G when we're not connected to Wi-Fi, so generally things like cars with trackers in public spaces, because there's not necessarily Wi-Fi there. We can use that just to check again what we're looking for and really confirm that we're actually finding the correct bugs, not just our phones or tablets that happen to be in our pockets. If you have any other questions about our military grade bug detector, feel free to get in touch with us here at the Spy Store. Have a great day.